All right, charging the Kia back up to 80%. Currently at 81 miles of range and 33% state of charge. Last time I drove for 153.6 miles, getting 3.4 miles per kilowatt hour. If you charge on a DC fast charger to get to 100%, you're looking at 42 minutes on an 800-volt car. On a 400-volt system, you're looking at 1 hour 20 minutes. And right now it's saying 165. Usually I'm getting between 180 and 190, I'm sorry, 280, 290 at 100% state of charge. So as the weather gets nicer, it's creeping back up there. I'll be charging to, I'm going to get a little more range. I'm going to charge up to 90%. So at 90%, getting 235 miles of range. It's going to take 3 hours and 55 minutes. On a level 2 charger and a regular household socket, you're looking at 38 hours and 10 minutes to get to 90%. I'm also going to reduce the EV settings of the AC charging current down to 90%. At 100%, it fluctuates too much. So at 90%, I get an even about 8 kilowatts per hour. At 100%, it climbs up to that 9.35. Then it dives down, goes back up, stays pretty level, about 7. So I'm just going to reduce it down to 90% and get a pretty consistent 8 to 8.5 kilowatts per hour.
Charge the Kia up to 90%, adding 44.14 kilowatt hours, costing $5.61, taking 5 hours and 48 minutes. I plugged in at 8:42 p.m. and it turned off around 2:30 a.m. So if I look at my history so far for the month of April, I've just charged once. So right now it's $5.61. If I look at my session, there's no sessions because I'm still actually plugged in to the, my charging cord is still plugged in. But again, so far 44.14, costing $5.61.
All right, charge the Kia up to 90%, currently at 89% state of charge, getting 235 miles of range.